How to enable advanced accounting on FreshBooks. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial, so if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to enable advanced accounting on FreshBooks. Okay, so to do this, you first of all want to load up FreshBooks right here. And once you have signed in to your account, just click on this settings icon in the top left corner. That is going to take you over to this area right here. So click into settings. And once the settings area loads up, all you need to do from here is go over to the accounting section from this top menu. Right here you can see advanced accounting, so go ahead and turn this on. And just like that, that is how you can enable advanced accounting on FreshBooks.